I'm giving you the top investor tips to maximize your return when rebuilding your old home. I think you're going to be really surprised with the one last tip, so stick to the end. We're going to take you through the list of what gives you the lowest return to the best return on your investment. What is ROI? ROI is return on investment. Well, the big question is, what does that even mean? If I put in $100,000 on an addition, what's my return on investment? If it's 100%, well, I'm getting that $100,000 back. How am I getting that $100,000 back? There are different avenues. One is getting a line of credit, and that could be an immediate return. So you get a line of credit, you get the home appraised, and you get that $100,000 back that you just spent. You could do a refi cash out. Refinance cash out, same thing, that's an immediate return on investment. And I think one of the last ways of doing it, or maybe a different way of doing it, is selling your home. I mean, obviously when you sell your home, you cash out and you get your money back. That $100,000 is probably gonna actually be worth a lot more when you sell the home in this market. We're gonna take you through the list of what gives you the lowest return to the best return. The lowest return on investment is really a major kitchen remodel, which is kind of mind-blowing because a lot of people think that redoing my kitchen, a major kitchen remodel, will give me the highest return. Wrong. That major kitchen remodel gives you only 41.8% of your investment. So that means if you're remodeling your kitchen, you're only gonna get 41.8% of your money back. So the next on the list, or the lowest return, is roofing replacement. I mean, a lot of people think, oh, I gotta replace my roof before I sell my home. That's actually gonna give you about 48% return. Next on the list is the bathroom remodel. The bathroom remodel gives you back 68% return on your investment. Think about that. Next on the list is window replacement. Window replacements in your house is gonna only give you about 69% return on your investment. So it's just right after that bathroom remodel is the window replacement. So now we know that our major kitchen remodel is giving us the least investment back on our home. The next on the list is the minor kitchen remodel. So a minor kitchen remodel is at 85%. 85%, that means if I don't fully gut my kitchen, I'm actually in a better position than if I actually fully gut my kitchen. So think about that part, because when you're reselling your home, maybe you want to rethink fully gutting your kitchen and only doing like a facelift, paint, maybe countertops, maybe a backsplash, maybe change some faucets, maybe change some knobs. Now I'm gonna get through the other things on the list, but mainly everything outside is really next up on the list, which is siding replacement, stone veneer, entry door, and garage door. All of those things on that list give you the most return, which is 100% or more. 100%, 103%, 104%. And one of the top things on the list is HVAC. Ding, 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 HVAC. Who thought of HVAC? Well, a lot of people that do remodels, they start doing cosmetics. They only do a minor kitchen remodel, they do a roof replacement, but they don't really think of, hey, we actually have to have our HVAC replaced or some sort of climate control, because climate is actually the biggest thing. And that HVAC conversion gives you about 104%. And those are the top ways to add value when rebuilding your old home.
Thanks for watching this episode. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And we'll see you next time.